Hi guys, it's Keith of Arkenberg Farms here, and I want to show you the way that we have consistent starts every week no matter what the temperature is outside. And that secret is my homemade germination chamber. Let me go show it to you. And here is a germination chamber. Regular old everyday fridge. Stuck a thermometer in the front just because I always question digital probes. Up top, nothing, just storing stuff in here. Insecticidal soap and other things that shouldn't get all that hot. And the bottom is where the real magic happens. You can see I got some trays in here. I've got some trays of celery I'm starting right now. Got my cat grass. Got a stack of microgreens here. Another stack of microgreens here. And then to control it, we're using an Arkenberg dual heating cooling temperature probe controller. It's got a temperature probe here, comes up into the unit, got the cord from the fridge. I brought it in through a hole on the outside. It's hooked into the cooling side, and on the heating side we have just standard crock pot with water in it. One thing to warn is that I found out from other people using this setup is that if you get a really large crock pot, you can melt the bottom of your plastic fridge, so you can just lay down a piece of tile or something underneath it. With the door, if you want to get 10-20 flats in stacked straight out like this, you're going to run into problems with the shelving because these fins are sticking out and this is sticking out. This goes right underneath the shelf here, which isn't a problem. At least I haven't ran into it yet. And this one comes in slightly below that shelf, but I was trying to get my celery starts down here, but I was running into this, so I'm going to have to cut this off too. I just went through, cut it back all the way around, cut off the top tray, cheese drawer, and all the other stuff. Stays pretty consistent in here. When it gets too hot, kicks on the fridge. When it gets too cold, kicks on the crock pot. And that keeps me within range to get good germination. A lot of other people are using stand-up freezers for this because the coils are actually mounted in the sides and the back all the way around it, and it just gives you a little bit more consistent temperature that way. Mine has these vents in the back that blow down air from the top, which occasionally I'll have spotty germination, like in the section right here on the back of the tray where it's underneath that. But I'm learning to work with it. But all in all, works really good. Most of the time I'm looking at about 95% germination on my lettuce. Cat grass always 100, microgreens always 100. And like I said, I put this probe in the front to make sure, because I don't trust digital gauges. It gives me a good idea of where it should be at. Just simple fridge. Hope you guys like what you saw here today. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank y'all. Have a good day.